channel. I'm so freaking excited. So this intro is going to be very much short, but based on the title, you know, this is going to be an unboxing video, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so I have it here and I got some scissors to open it, and I'm so freaking excited. I don't even know how to open this, but this is not even like the satisfying part. Oh, I should have gotten a knife. It's kind of hard to like open it. But, oh my goodness. Wait. It looks so pretty. So it doesn't have the little plastic wrap that we usually have for the older iPhones. It just has like this thing you swipe, and sheesh, I'm so freaking excited. It looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's like blue, kind of like grayish, but let's get into it. By the way, I think this one is the 256 gigabytes, but hold on. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Sheesh. Okay, it definitely gets stained with fingerprints because I don't know if you can see, but you see? Okay, let me take it out. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, it is so freaking sexy. It only come with this charger. Not me dropping the stuff, but it only comes with this. You have to get your own box all of a sudden. Like Apple, get it together. But I'm so glad I got this phone. My birthday is in 6 days, so it's like such a nice birthday gift. Like, wow, how freaking sweet. But if you have a MacBook like charger box, you can use this charger phone. Otherwise, just buy your own box from Apple or somewhere else. But yeah, that's what the box comes with, and let's take this off. My goodness, that's my ring light. It looks so cute, like my god. It's like so blue and sexy. Wow, it's so pretty, but it's like the fingerprints, yeah, that'd be a little too much. But my goodness, I'll be back with a case and a screen protector and period. Okay, so I have my clear case right here, and I'm just gonna put it on just to keep the phone protected. But it's just a regular clear case. I'm gonna put the phone in it. Whoa. Wow. It looks so beautiful. What a cute phone. Okay, this part, like you see, this is really how the phone look like in real life. It's like blue kind of mixed with a hint of purple, mixed with a hint of grayish. But it's so sexy. Like, I've never had a blue phone. And it's, I guess, turning on with the hello. Wow, so pretty. But I'm gonna set it up later. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it wasn't long, but it's just a quick little video of me unboxing this phone. By the way, I didn't put on a screen protector. I thought the case comes with a screen protector, but it doesn't. So I'm gonna just have to buy it and put it on. Okay, I'll give you one more look before I end. But okay, like for real, I really love my phone. Like, this really what it looks like in person. Oh yeah, I just did my nails before recording this, and I love this phone. I love the color. Like, wow. Sheesh. But I'm probably gonna get another case where it would show like the beauty of the color, or just accessorize the phone more. But yeah, that will be all for this unboxing video of my iPhone 13 Pro Max in the color Sierra Blue. And I like my nails. But yeah, that will be all. Thank you for watching. You know, stay tuned and keep up with my channel. If you want to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any question. And I'll see and talk to you all later.